how to reset password for your Bitget account. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply click on the login button at the top right. Click on it right now. And once you guys click on it, something like this will open up. From here, in context that you have forgotten your password, simply click on this button called as Forgot Your Password right here. It is in blue. Click on it. And this is it. Now from here, all you guys need to do is simply enter your email or mobile number that you have registered to your account. I'm gonna do it right now. Once you guys have entered the email address, all you need to do is click on next. Now it's gonna send a verification code. Simply enter it right here. Once you have entered the verification code, simply hit on confirm once again. Now guys, this is it. Now from this section, simply add a new password. Enter the password right here, and once you've done that, simply re-enter it. Once everything's okay, simply click on next. And guys, that is it. Once you do that, your password will have been reset. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Until next time, thank you.